Alright guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of an Arlo SmartHub. I bought this from Walmart and the model number is VMB4540. Okay. Alright, so here we go. There's the sticker for your window. Here's the brochure with the setup instructions. Alright, let me pull this out of here. Alright. Okay, this is the hub itself. So we got a sync button, we got a USB port for local storage, we got an Ethernet connector, we got your power button, and then we got your reset button. Okay, and then right here we got your status light. Okay, so inside of the box we got your Ethernet cable, and then we have your power cable. And that's pretty much it, guys.